One bedroom apartment for sale from construction company with payment plan. Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I am Mesih, real estate and investment expert with 10 years of experience and sold out more than 120 apartments, villa, shop and offices to clients from different countries who selected Alanya as their second home. Let's go and see today's offer. This project is located in center of Mahmutlar, built on land of 3,700 square meter with having 120 apartments of different layouts of 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom separate kitchen and 3 bedroom duplex apartments. Project is located about 600 meters to the beach. Saturday Pazar of Mahmutlar is around 100 meters. Let's go and see facility of this project. Then we will see 1 bedroom apartment with sea view, 1 bedroom apartment with full furniture and 2 bedroom apartment with separate kitchen, exclusive. Welcome. So this is our 1 bedroom apartment with fully furnished in this complex. As you are entering, we have a bathroom over here and a smart home system is available which you can use it. And this is our bedroom. So in bedroom for 2 people there is enough space, so you can see how it will look like when you furnish your apartment. So inside this side we have our living room and also kitchen. So in kitchen all applications are ready. So small dining table for 4 people. We have over here sofa and also TV area is over here. And also this is our balcony, so you can have different view. For another apartment we had sea view apartment, and this apartment we have normal fully furnished. Welcome to our exclusive 2 bedroom apartment with separate kitchen and fully furnished. As you're entering, we have our key system where you can put your keys over here, a smart home system, cabinets for putting clothes and shoes. When you're coming inside, we have our bathroom with fully furnished and quite big space. And also when you're coming directly, you have entering to living room. So in living room we have dining table for 6 and also cabinets, TV, everything is over here. So it's quite big and you have access directly to balcony. From kitchen and also living room you can have access to balcony. And now we are going to our kitchen. So right side we have separate kitchen. So inside our kitchen all applications, everything white goods are ready. Air condition, everything is over here. So you can see that separate kitchen, and also you can go to balcony. So we have a small table over here for dining table, as you can see, for children's and all that. And this is our first bedroom, which is fully furnished, and we have everything ready over here, cabinets and all that, air conditions and all that. This is master bedroom for parents room. You can see we have good lighting. Thanks so much staying till end of this video with me. Subscribe, like and comment. See you on next video with new opportunities from Alanya.